here. Today is Mother's Day and I wish you all a very, very happy Mother's Day. Since it's Mother's Day, I have made an amazingly beautiful jigsaw puzzle for my mother. So let's see if she can solve it. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you.
Thank you, Aarushi. What is this?
This is a jigsaw puzzle. You have to solve it.
Thank you so much. Love you.
Love you. Let's see if Mama can solve this.
I don't know if I can do this. This will be very, very tough. But thank you so much for it. Come on, let's see. What is it? Ooh, so many pieces.
Look guys, so these are the pieces. Let's see if Mama can solve it.
Where do I start from? Magic, magic, magic.
So this is the puzzle. Happy Mother's Day to all.
Thank you, Aarushi.
Welcome. Hello. ये है मेरी माँ, ये है मेरी मम्मी और हम हैं happy क्योंकि है आज Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mummy.
Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe, and be happy. Bye-bye.
Bye.